This is the first Premier chance for the National Premier Mix. A category that's sort of 42 teams participating, and now it's down to these 4 teams right now. In lane number 1 is Reach Dragons. Lane number 2 right into them, Nottingham Polytechnic. Captain Brooklyn is in lane number 3, and lane number 4 the team from Neon Polytechnic. As they're coming towards the first 100 meters, looks like it's standing up for the winner. Competition between the teams from Nottingham Polytechnic and Neon Polytechnic. Looking forward to the Neon Polytechnic running alongside their partners. They'll make up towards the winner behind towards the last four. And we'll try Nottingham Polytechnic really finding the first team about to find the ball. Nottingham Polytechnic competition is still at the moment. It's still running into the side of the team now. We're keeping challenging the jump and the witnessing of as well, and visibility may not be as good.